And thank you very much for the welcome you have offered. And to my dear media persons, you have come here with great interest and appreciate it very much. You see, Karnataka is a great state in India which has made enormous contributions to the nation. It has also played a very important role in shaping modern India. Christianity reached India in the first century itself through the preaching of the gospel of Jesus by St. Thomas the Apostle. It is true that the state of Karnataka came to know Christianity first only in the 16th century, between 1500 and 1600 AD, with the arrival of the Portuguese missionaries. And hence we have the origin of the strong and large Latin Catholic Church in India, of which our Diocese of Mangalore is part. The Catholic Church, as I said, is a communion of 23 churches, one large Latin church and 22 Oriental churches. Surah Malabar Church, we have now 31 dioceses, 29 in India, one in the United States and one in Australia of Melbourne. And so 31 dioceses, the major archbishop is supposed to go at least once in 10 years and make the pastoral visit. And that is what I am doing now at the invitation of our Bishop Lawrence Mukuri. You see, many people think that the church exists for conversions. Actually, it is a very too simplified understanding of the church. The church is for making the gospel of Jesus Christ preached and experienced by all the people. There are very many things which are even for other believers of other religions they can expect or they can get from the church and the gospel of Jesus Christ. So that is the presence which we are going to do. This visit paves the way to put fresh spirit into the faithful of the Diocese of Belthangadi. In a rare occasion like this, the Spirit will flow down into the faithful like rain and will bear fruits in different people as the day of Pentecost, for which we need intense prayer and good mental disposition. There will be so many occasions for the Major Archbishop, not only through the pastoral visit, but also through other occasions to interact with the bishop. And that is constantly going on in the church. But by this, during this visit, what the Major Archbishop does is interaction with the priest, and as I said, different sections of the church here. So this interaction is very important. When interactions are going on, what happens is the Spirit of God works. Even in the secular society, you see, when people gather together, or even act together, or even eat together, there is really the Spirit of God functioning. The minds and hearts are getting united. Such a kind of interaction in the name of Jesus Christ is going to happen during this pastoral visit. The purpose of my visit is to express solidarity with the Catholics and all the people in this area. All the people, solidarity. Because the believer in one religion, if he is a true believer, will be in unity and harmony with the believers of other religions. Otherwise there is something wrong with his faith in that religion. Every religion is advocating or propagating this kind of unity of humankind. The unity and the love that should exist in humankind.